Welcome to Invent Medical's crash course on the treatment plans module. In this video, we'll walk through a general overview of the module, how to build a plan, add procedures, and more. Let's start in the treatment plans tab. Every plan for this patient lives here. You can adjust the treatment plan date or keep it as today's date. Give the plan a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. Next, let's add a note to capture the context behind the plan. You can also put in a ready-made note template, and it will be directly pasted in. Now let's move on to procedures. This is where the actual treatment gets built. The treatment details window opens for the new procedure. Simply pick the procedure from the list, and it's added along with its provider and place of service. Priority controls the order procedures should be carried out in. Choose the level that fits how soon it's needed. Let's move down now to the procedure timeline, where each procedure's progress is tracked. Select the appropriate treatment status to reflect the current stage of the patient's procedure. Record the exact timestamps for when the procedure was planned, started, ended, and completed to ensure an accurate step-by-step record of patient care. Let's move on now to treatment notes. Clinical documentation for this specific procedure. Adding the note stamps it with your name and the time. Now let's go to the Billing Details tab. This is where you can edit the procedure pricing details. Adjust the insurance, pricing, discount, and tax fields. After reviewing the summary, click Confirm. The procedure is now added to the treatment plan. You can follow these same steps for the remaining procedures, so we'll go ahead and add the rest to complete the plan. Now all the procedures are added to the plan. Let's go now to the patient signature. Consent captured right on the plan. The patient signs directly on screen or on a connected signature device. Whenever the patient needs a printable copy, you can generate it from here. Let's preview the treatment plan to see exactly what the patient will receive. Choose whether to include the dental chart and the notes. As you can see, it generates a clean professional summary complete with patient details and visual tooth chartings, along with a full breakdown of procedures and costs, ready to print, download, or open in a new tab with just one click. Activating the plan marks it as accepted by the patient and puts it into effect. Finally, let's look at treatment plan priorities. Those priority labels are fully configurable. Here's a full view of all your clinic's priority levels. Let's click Add New to set up a brand new priority. Now type in a clear label so you know exactly how urgent this priority level is. Then set the color and save the new priority. You can change their order from here. Let's put the new one at the top. Now it is at the top, we can exit ordering mode to save. And that wraps up the full treatment plans module. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out our documentation page or try the live demo on our website.